The good whiteboard animation software should be simple to use while allowing you to take things to the next level. If you are willing to put in efforts today, I will show you the top 5 best whiteboard animation software that you can use to create amazing whiteboard animation videos. Alright, let us get started. At first is Doodly. Doodly is a desktop software that allows you to easily create whiteboard, blackboard, greenboard, and even glassboard doodle videos. It is simple to use and requires no coding or drawing skills. Just select a doodle image, click and drag it to the canvas, and Doodly will automatically draw the image for you. You can make videos with their large library of pre-made characters, text, images, props, scenes, and royalty-free music, etc. Or you can upload your own media files too. Doodly is extremely intuitive to use. To get started, just select the type of cameras you want. You can then drag and drop the images, text, and audio tracks you want. If you like, you can record a voiceover straight into it. After you have created your custom doodle video in a few minutes, you will be able to export your video in various resolutions, file sizes, and quality. Doodly is a quick and inexpensive way to make your own whiteboard animation videos. If you would like to try Doodly, you can get it through the link in description box below. Up next is VideoScribe. VideoScribe is an intuitive solution for creating high-quality whiteboard animations and professional-style explainer videos. It is a simple 5-step process. Lets you start by adding images and text. Then proceed by setting and animation times, recording and importing voiceovers, selecting sounds, and publishing the content. Whether you are a seasoned editor or are just getting started, you will find it super easy to use the platform. Besides, the simple tutorial and example videos highlight the use of every feature to get you flying without any hurdle. Although it is surprisingly simple, its array of applications fit the capability of a professional animation software that offers many features that help you to create your own characters and layouts, program movements, and set text. Besides, there are multiple menus featuring visual and sound props for adding depth and richness to your videos. The software is available for Windows and Mac. You can buy and own the software for $800 or opt for the monthly fees of $14 per month. VideoScribe is ideal for graphic design enthusiasts, video makers, freelancers, bloggers, or government agencies and internet marketers looking to create amazing instructional talks, marketing videos, bring illustration to life, and add stunning visual to talk to keep the audience captivated. If you are looking for a modern and feature-rich whiteboard animation software, then you might want to give Explaindio a try. This whiteboard animation tool live and allows you to create whiteboard animation effects over GIF animations and videos. The interface is feature-rich and offers a wealth of options to customize your videos. It allows you to create SD videos using high-quality background images. You can even import video slides or audio files from other video editing software. Explaindio Video Creator enables you to animate cartoon characters to build stories and articulately convey your message. Marketers will appreciate the catchy themes that will introduce their products in a professional manner. The software also provides you with a long list of pre-designed slides that you can use to create stunning presentation videos. Explaindio is available for both Windows and Mac. Pricing starts at $37 per month or $67 per year. Easy Sketch Pro brings a clean design and plenty of tools to the table to rival the likes of other higher-end competitors. It's refreshing to having everything neatly laid out and easily accessible. Plus, the buttons are large and descriptive, so the learning curve should be fairly non-existent. It offers a lot of customization in terms of background, graphics, media, and timeline elements. For example, you can use a video file as your backdrop. Easy Sketch also offers a lot of plugin integrations for items such as an email response, support, call button, and social media. These items in particular are unique to Easy Sketch and make it a great tool for business that really want to improve their video marketing. The simple interface and low cost also make it a strong competitor for users with educational hobby or personal purposes. And branded videos start at $67 for a license and $97 gets you full access to the stock media library. Powtoon has been on the market for many years and has stuck around for good reason. It has a range of features and pricing plans that aim to corner the educational, business, and enterprise markets. In addition to whiteboard animations, you will see cartoon looks, live action video with overlays, and quite a few other styles available with templates and variety of media. You can even browse some of these available media to get an idea of what it looks like on their site. The page includes over a dozen categories with several graphic types. The program's interface is clean, if a bit dated, and should not pose an issue for new users. Combined with the variety of media available, it is a step up from trying to use PowerPoint to create a brief animation, and Powtoon itself even offers support for creating slideshows. Thanks for watching. Links for the whiteboard animation software mentioned are in the description. Give this video a thumbs up if it is useful for you, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell to stay up to date with the latest video. Thank you.